Finally starting to work a little bit. All right, here it goes. I'm going to get together these jumbo shrimp. Of course, we got some butter. We got a ribeye steak, some green onion, and I forgot to get also got available a medley of potatoes. So I'll probably have 2 potatoes tonight and make it work. So I already got everything plugged in. I believe I turned on the CO2. So I'm gonna just prepare everything and then so we'll go from there. Down to my last shrimp. Gonna rinse them off. And then I'm gonna cut out these potatoes. I done pulled up everything out of there. Got my shrimp. Got steak right behind there. I'm about to go ahead and turn on this grill. Just let this go down. Close that on up. Alright, that's all set. What else do I want to do? Let's see what I'm doing. Everything is ready for me. So I let the meat and the shrimp marinate for about 30 or 40 minutes. And I'm gonna come adjust the flame. So this is high, this is low. I'm gonna go ahead and put it about medium. Some off the butter and whatnot. I feel like I'm ready. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the shrimp. I mean, for the most part, I don't know what I'm doing. But, you know, cooking is almost second nature, especially when you get hungry. So you just figure out kind of what to do. I devein the shrimps on both sides. And, I got a little butter. Get that going. And from my top. That's sitting right down. I'll go ahead and toss in the steak. I'm just betting on if everything go wrong and it don't taste good, you know, I really won't know the difference. I forgot to tenderize it. There you go, right there. Let that do what it do. Turn up the flame a little bit. See, my whole past couple of days, I've just been relaxing, getting everything in order. And with me, I try to, continuously stay focused on what I got right ahead of me. You know, I was able to catch a few things on my van, you know, when I went to my storage to recharge up, that I feel, you know, if I would have been on some other stuff, then I probably wouldn't have caught. And not catching something like that, you know, which was mold at the time, that would have had me on some other intense situations. So stay focused on what you got to stay focused on until you clear up everything, and you can do those things. Everything looking good so far. All right. So if y'all got any questions, just let me know. This Camp Chef stove is a perfect addition. Being able to cook and enjoy yourself. Like, be free. That's the first time I've been free. And them boys already know that, man. My cousins, they know all the stuff I was going through, sleeping in my car and, you know, experiencing different things, but it's definitely worth it. To finally have your own, from your own planning, from your own ingenuity and intuitiveness, you know, nothing can surpass that. Not much can replace it. So I got everything exactly usable, functional. You just, you know, you never know how long it's gonna take. You never know which piece of the puzzle you're missing for yourself until you kind of venture out and look and see, engage the response of your body and your mind. So hopefully this go all good. Come from the other side. Flip the shrimp again. Go ahead. Turn up the fire a little bit more. And sooner or later I start buying more ingredients to cook more things with. Right now I'm just taking it real easy. Shrimp is done. Go ahead and put them on here. Potatoes just about done. Perfect. A new spoon on deck. These are almost done for my liking. Steak should be done also. I like to have it about medium. Look at my steaks is ready. Remember to wipe up the grease, cause that bitch will fuck up the day. Let's see. The potatoes on. Not too bad. Alright. That's as far as I'm gonna cook that. Turn off the heat. Flip it one more again. And it's basically done. Ah, my bellies. I'm happy. It's set for the dessert. Got some Twinkies. Steak, shrimp, and potatoes, and Twinkies for dessert. It's perfect. All right, let's see what it do. It's pretty good. I'm satisfied. It's just that easy, man. Prepare, go after it. Like somebody told me once when I was asking questions. It was like, if you don't do it now, when you possibly decide to do it, you're just gonna be older. Don't be afraid to train. I keep anticipating. I put my money in Bitcoin, Litecoin, and I'm about to take it out. Use that money to pay a couple months in advance for my storage and my few bills that I have, and just create a cushion and just do something different. But lose is not the agenda. So I'm gonna be very extreme in some of my choices in my head. So we'll see how I go. But thank you for joining me. Let me see what this steak tastes like. Hold on though. Shit, I should've. Gotta get me another knife. Let's see what this do. Yeah, I gotta cut this up to manageable bites. But yeah, you see it right now. It's perfect.
Controversial posts on social media, and then you leave for an hour and come back, motherfuckers is arguing down the timeline. You like, oh shit, did I? Right? You be feeling like, oh shit, my pastor arguing with the pew and shit. You bitches can't sing. Like, what?
Y'all take care of yourself, man. I'm gonna finish up and I'm holler at y'all later. Wanted to give a special shout out to these lights by Rebel. Cause this is what I'm gonna use. This is what I already got installed. So I'm gonna end up putting 2 more of these, around the van somewhere. But I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna decide. So when I get that up and running, I'll let y'all know. But I'm more than happy with this product. And, it does me well.